On Wednesday, US President Joe Biden predicted that Russia will make a move on Ukraine. Biden's comments at a White House news conference caused uncertainty into how the West would respond should Russian President Vladimir Putin order an invasion of Ukraine, prompting the White House later to seek to clarify what Biden meant. Russian officials have repeatedly denied planning to invade, but the Kremlin has massed some 100,000 troops near Ukraine's border, which is a build-up the West says is preparation for a war to prevent Ukraine from ever joining the NATO Western Security Alliance. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said that if any Russian military forces move across the Ukrainian border, that would be a renewed invasion and would be met with a swift, severe and united response from the United States and their allies. But she said that cyber attacks and paramilitary tactics by Russia would be met with a decisive, reciprocal and united response. As per reports, the US State Department has cleared Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia to send US-made missiles and other weapons to Ukraine. Republicans expressed concern about Biden's remarks. Biden said that a third summit with Putin is still a possibility after the two leaders met twice last year. He said that he was concerned that a Ukraine conflict could have broader implications and could get out of hand. Biden said that he believed Putin would test Western leaders. He said that the response to any Russian invasion would depend on the scale of Moscow's actions and whether US allies disputed over how to react. US and his team have prepared a broad set of sanctions and other economic penalties to impose on Russia in the event of an invasion, and the US president said Russia companies would lose the ability to use the US dollar. Biden said Putin had asked him for guarantees on two issues. Those are Ukraine would never join NATO and that strategic or nuclear weapons never be stationed on Ukrainian soil. US officials see limiting NATO expansion as a non-starter, but Biden noted that there was little chance of Ukraine joining the alliance soon, and he suggested that there could be a deal under which the West might not station nuclear forces in Ukraine.